Welcome back to another tutorial on how to design with Canva. Now, in this lesson, we're going to create some colorful text like we have over here. So this is just a template that I got from Canva and I decided to customize it. So we'll make a text similar to this, but first I'm going to delete this and then we can go through the process together. So I'm just going to delete this text real quick. There we go. Then let's try and change the background color. I want to change the background color. It's not so dark. That looks good. Now, with my background color as it is, I'll come all the way down here to apps. Then click over here and type in the word type. Now, from these three, I'm going to select Typecraft. This is the app we're going to use. And here it is. So at the top here, you're required to enter your text. So I'll just enter the text I want to type in my canvas. Then choose your font. So you can choose any font you want. Let's choose that one. The style, you can choose unfold, outline, but for me, I'll work with none. Over here, let's give it a color. There we go. And then edit shape. Under edit shape, now you can be able to edit your shape and move it around like so. There we go. So once you're satisfied with the way your text looks like, click on add element to design and it will be added to your canvas. So from here, you can resize this and reposition it. So I'm just going to resize it and then click on the duplicate icon and make a duplicate. So I'll just drag this over here. Let's go to the top and type in E. I'll let the font remain the same, the style remain the same. I'll just come over here and change the color. Click on update element and this is what will happen. Now, as you've noticed, my text is not as simple as the first one. This is because of the type of font that I've used. So if we just come back here with this selected, you can see the type of font I've used. But you can opt to use a different font. So let's just duplicate that again. Paste this here. Now let's choose a different font. I'm going to use this font instead. Leave the style at none and let's change the color. That looks good. Click on update element and you can see the new effect that font has brought about. So the design, the effect on your text will depend on the type of font you'll be using from over here. So what I'll do again is with this selected, I'll just continue using the same font from here. Type in a different letter. Change the color. You can always edit if you want to change the properties of your shape, but I feel mine is okay just like that. Click on update element. There we go. Duplicate. Just change the color. Add these elements. Then the last letter. So as you can have noticed, I'm not changing the font anymore. I'm not changing the style. I'm only working with the color. So changing the color. And then I'll click on update element. So I'll click on duplicate. Here we go. The last letter I want over here. I'll not change the font, I'll not change the style, I'll just come over here and change the color. Then click on update elements. And there we go. So I've created this beautiful text. You can see we have two different effects over here. So again, you can always come back with this selected, come to font and change the font type to the one I want. That looks good. And then I'll click update element, and there we go. You can see it's changed. So let's do the same for this one. There we go. Size that a little bit. Update element, and there we have it. We've created beautiful text. Now you can arrange them as you wish. You can resize them together. Let me just show you. So there we go. I'll just select all this, and from here you can resize them or reposition them as you want, and that looks beautiful. So go ahead and try as many fonts as you can from over here and see the effect that each and every one of them will have. That is, if you have the time. And again, try these on your designs, on your cards, on anything you would like to try them on, especially when it comes to t-shirt printing, and you'll see the wonders.